Alright guys, look at me. On a Super Bowl day, I'm here in the gym trying to get some training done, you know? It's one of those things, sometimes you just gotta deny yourself, you know, and do something else out of the norm. So I've decided to come to the gym on a day like this, a Super Bowl day. I know people are out there just having fun, watching the game, you know, and having lots of fun, you know, drinking and enjoying themselves. I'm in here in the gym, taking a day off, you know, trying to get some workout done. So that's what I've decided to do today. You know, you can, you know, see it however you want to see it, but, you know, I'm doing my thing, so I'll see you in the gym. Alright guys, see you later. Take care.